Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your OPPO Reno 15F 5G. First, adjust the brightness in the settings. Open the Settings app. Find the Display and Brightness option. It's the 7th one from the top. Click on Display and Brightness, and here you'll find the brightness slider and an option to enable auto brightness. Disable auto brightness so you can adjust it manually. You can either lower it or make it higher. I'll keep it right here. After doing these steps, download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. Go to the search bar and search for Screen Dimmer. It'll be OLED Saver. Download this app made by Hacks. It has a black and white picture. This app is very good, only 1.5 megabytes, and works like a charm. Open the app. The first option modifies system settings so the app can control brightness. The next option updates the overlay when rotating the screen, enabling the keyboard and similar functions. Go to More, Downloaded Apps, and select Screen Dimmer. Give full control so it can view and control the screen, interact with apps, and dim them. Leave the accessibility setting to display the brightness bar and notifications. Now enable the service. You can lower it even more. You can change notification settings, add increase and decrease buttons, pause button, inline pause button, settings button, and screenshot. This is how it looks. The plus and minus buttons are working, and the screenshot function works too. It also dims the screen again, and you get brightness settings where you can change extra dim to brighter or dimmer. You have minimum physical brightness controlled by the system and by the app, plus change delay and duration. If you don't want to use it, tap here but adjust your brightness again because it might be too low or too high. Go to Settings, swipe down until you see System and Update. As a last resort, update your software by clicking the first option. It should show your version is up to date. Even if you check for updates, it will say the same, so make sure you're on the latest version. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.